Keep in touch is a common phrase that encapsulates the notion of maintaining communication and connection with someone, particularly when you are physically separated or have busy lives. This expression represents a fundamental aspect of human relationships in our modern, fast-paced world, where maintaining connections is essential for nurturing personal, professional, and social bonds. In the age of digital communication and social media, keeping in touch has taken on new dimensions. Staying connected is easier than ever before, with an array of tools at our disposal, including emails, text messages, social networking platforms, and video calls. These technologies have transformed the way we interact, making it more convenient to bridge geographical and time gaps. One of the primary reasons to keep in touch is to maintain and strengthen relationships, be it with family members, friends, colleagues, or acquaintances. Regular communication fosters a sense of closeness and continuity. In personal relationships, staying in touch allows you to share your life's ups and downs, celebrate achievements, and provide emotional support during challenging times. It's a way of demonstrating that you value the other person and their presence in your life. In a professional context, keeping in touch is essential for networking and career development. Cultivating professional relationships through regular updates, informational exchanges, and even casual conversations can open up opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, or career advancement. It also helps you stay informed about industry trends and developments. Moreover, keeping in touch helps prevent the erosion of relationships due to distance or changing circumstances. Life can get busy, and people can move away or take different paths. Without conscious effort, connections can weaken or fade away. By proactively reaching out and staying connected, you ensure that these relationships endure and remain meaningful. The phrase "keep in touch" also underscores the importance of reciprocity in relationships. It's not just about you reaching out to others, it's also about them reaching out to you. Maintaining a healthy balance of communication ensures that the relationship is mutually beneficial and that both parties feel valued and cared for. Another dimension of keeping in touch involves expressing appreciation and gratitude. A simple message or call to say thank you or to acknowledge someone's contributions can go a long way in strengthening bonds. It reinforces the positive aspects of the relationship and encourages continued interaction. In conclusion, keep in touch is more than a casual request. It's a profound commitment to maintaining connections in our fast-paced, digitally connected world. It involves consistent communication, whether through traditional means or modern technology, to nurture personal, professional, and social relationships. By keeping in touch, we demonstrate our appreciation, support, and commitment to the people who enrich our lives, ensuring that these connections remain vibrant and enduring. It's a reminder that in the midst of our busy lives, the people who matter most should never be too far out of reach.